James Arthur Flowerdew was an English captain from Norfolk, England, whose unique recollections of the ancient city of Petra in Jordan strongly suggest to some the existence of reincarnation. From his adolescence, Flowerdew experienced strange visions of a stone city carved into a cliff, which were particularly strong when he played in the multicoloured pebbles on a beach near his home. The clarity of his visions grew as he did. One day as an adult, he watched a BBC documentary on the ancient city of Petra in Jordan, and immediately recognised it as the city of his visions. He became convinced that he had lived a previous life in Petra and contacted the BBC. They filmed and broadcast a documentary on Flowerdew, which the Jordanian government saw and was intrigued by. They offered to fly Flowerdew out to Petra to examine its remains, and perhaps offer insights on analysing the city. Before he left for Jordan, Flowerdew was interviewed by an archaeological expert excavating Petra to test his knowledge on the ancient city. Flowerdew described the city with astounding accuracy and pointed out 3 landmarks prominent in his memory. He went directly to these landmarks upon his arrival at Petra, explained a very plausible use for a device whose explanation had baffled archaeologists, and even correctly identified the location of many landmarks that had yet to be excavated. Many experts said that Flowerdew had more knowledge of the city than many professionals studying it, and they did not believe him to be an incredible conman. The archaeological expert on Petra who accompanied Flowerdew to Jordan had this to say: "He's filled in details and a lot of it is very consistent with well-known archaeological and historical facts, and it would require a mind very different from his to be able to sustain a fabric of deception on the scale of his memories, at least those he's reported to me. I don't think he's a fraud. I don't think he has the capacity to be a fraud on this scale." Flowerdew himself maintained that he'd never seen or heard of Petra before the BBC documentary, and had never read any literature on the city. Many spiritual leaders believe that Flowerdew's experience offers highly suggestive evidence for the existence of rebirth or reincarnation. So do you guys believe that people can remember past lives? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more countdown videos.